What is up, people of the internet? My name is Hriday Menon and welcome to my first ever YouTube video. Now, because this is my first YouTube video, I thought let me do an unboxing of, one second. Right. This, the Huion HS64. Many people have done a review on this already, but you might be asking, why am I doing it again? This is the most detailed and most specified review and the first impressions of this tablet. Now, many people have done this because this released in the 2019 March 22nd, which is a long time ago, and they released 3 models with this. Altogether 3 models. There was the HS64, some 611 Pro, and the HS64 Special Edition. The Special Edition and this one's difference is basically the Special Edition has got quite a few banana ducks rolling around here and there, extra sheet of stickers, and yeah, that's it. So yeah, here it is. There's the tablet. Let me start off with telling you why I actually bought this tablet and not the other ones. I researched a lot. I checked Wacoms, I checked XP Pens, and I checked Huion. According to me, these 3 are the top ruling ones of the tablets. Huions, I checked, there were few models, but my goal is to tell that you really don't have to buy the expensive tablets like the pen displays and stuff like that. This is a pen tablet, and I wanted to say that you can do digital art in this one as well. This is not the cheapest tablet you can find in the market. There is another one, the Huion 420. I don't want to buy it because of the name itself. It's 420. No one would want to buy such a thing. But after that, I bumped into Brad Cowboy's video saying that you can actually buy it. There's nothing wrong with it. I don't want to waste my money on such a low spec model, so I went for this. This is the most economical pen tablet ever. So let's start off the box. Come on. Specifications given here are just the dimensions, active area, pressure sensitivity. Well, this got 8192 levels of pressure sensitivity. My lord, that's a lot for such a cheap tablet here. And the pen's details for hotkeys, customizable keys, shortcut keys or whatever, they're customizable and they're here. The interface type is a micro USB, and they've provided the cable here as well. The OS support, Windows 7 or later, Mac OS 10.12 or later, and here's the bomb, it's got Android support as well. For those people who've got Android Marshmallow or upwards, the ones who have diabetes, Android 6.0 and upwards can connect this. They've given the OTG cables as well. They've given the micro USB and the Type-C reversible. So yeah, that's about it with the box here. Now let's get in. Sliced open the 2 stickers, and now for the review. It's satisfying, folks. There we go. Thank you for choosing Huion. Sweet. It's got a little note here saying our goal is to be 100% happy with, is for you to be 100% happy with your new product. If you need any assistance, please don't hesitate to contact us and we shall be glad to help you in every way possible. Yeah, I won't hesitate. Now the CD looking thing, okay, it's not a CD, it's just the warranty card saying to download the driver / manual, go to whatever link. I will show you guys how to download the drivers and manuals, install it and customize this tablet in every possible way. But that'll come later. Oops, that was a little bit of flip there. Oh my goodness, this is light. This is so light. I mean, after using all those pen displays, those are bulky little stuff that take up all the space in your desk. This is so light. Oh wow. And the pen, my goodness, even this is so light. I wonder how I'm gonna draw with this. See, it actually clicks. Yep, the creative pen tablets. How do I take this out? Forgive me, I'm new to unboxing. Whatever, in different languages. That's a lot of stuff to read. I will read this through later and I will tell you what it is in the next video. This is what I told earlier. The micro USB to the USB cable. You connect the USB to your computer slash PC slash OTG, and then you connect this to the tablet here. So wow, they've given the nip remover with, that's all? Let me count. Tell me how many are there. There are only 8 of them. Well, on Amazon they said they'll be giving me 18 of them. They've given only 8. And I just hope they give the glove. There is no glove. There is no glove. They cheated me. Not again. I'm disappointed. Anyway, at least they gave me this and this. Oh, gift. That's nice of them. At least they gave me the OTG, the Type-C reversible, and the micro USB. That's all there is in the box. There is no glove. Let me warn you. There is no glove. Yeah, now you have been warned. So let's just clean this up and set up the tablet. Download the driver or the manual. Just open any trusted search engine, key in the words www.huion.com/downloads. Then you're going to be taken to the official website for downloading the drivers and manuals. Select your tablet type. In my case it's going to be the HS64, and then select OS and what you need, the driver or the manual. I'm happy with the driver, I don't need the manual. Submit, and you're going to find your tablet there. They're going to show you all the specifications that you've chosen. Always download the latest one so that you won't have to download for a little longer. Then launch the application and register from the official website. I don't know if it's going to make any difference if you don't register, but I'm just going to register. Just type in your email and a suitable password, and then you're good to go. But before going, you need to slide to tell that you have the tablet. Continue and open the application. I've opened it, and this is the about page of the application. And here in the work area, you're going to be able to adjust the work area of the tablet and how it's going to be shown on the display of your monitor or your laptop. Your digital pen settings is going to show you how to change the buttons. I'm not going to change any buttons. I'm just going to scribble around to see how the pressure sensitivity works. You can draw soft, hard, whatever it's going to show. And then I'm just going to fiddle around with that map there and see if it makes any difference. Yes, it did. Now you can make the tip active or inactive. I like to keep it in mouse mode so that I can use it as a mouse as well. It's just gonna take off from where you left. Otherwise, if you keep it in the normal mode, it's not gonna take off from where you left. So go to the press keys area. You can adjust all the 4 press keys just by clicking onto the white bar there, and then you can adjust in almost every way. So yeah, that's about it. I just showed you guys all the settings and how it works. So yep, you just gotta click that view us so that will take you to the official website. You can export or import settings, and you can always go back to the default settings with just one click. Yeah, so right now I just showed you guys how to download and install the drivers and mess around with the settings of the tablets and the hotkeys. So now let me just show you how it is on screen, like when you draw it. Come on. So as you can see right now I'm on Krita because I usually use this software for drawing. It's very intuitive, it's nice, it's not too hard. Anyone can learn to draw on Krita. And so I don't know why the pressure sensitivity is not very active here. It's not even there, not active at all, as a matter of fact. No matter how much I scribble, how hard I scribble or how soft I scribble, is still the same. There is no pressure activity at all. I don't know what's wrong. I should probably go to the settings and fiddle around Maybe next time on the next video, if I figure it out, I will share it with you too. And if you guys figured it out before me, cool, you guys can write it down in the comment section downstairs. And that's about it. I shared my unboxing, and the first impressions is not so great, maybe because I'm not used to drawing on a pen tablet. I was used to draw on this little guy here. It's an old iPad that I used to draw, and so the learning curve from this to this is not small. It's a lot, but thanks to the reading height, it's so simple. But I'm not very comfortable with this yet. Maybe I need to practice for a week or so until I get it. And please do check out the description room for the cameraman's Instagram link and my Instagram link. And most of the stuff that you need to know about the video is down there in the description room. Feel free to subscribe. It really would mean the world to me if you subscribe. Hit that bell icon, otherwise it's just going to be like you're paying for your classes and not attending them. Be the first one to watch my videos, like them, share if you want to, and like only if you really did like it. If you didn't like it, go down to the comment section downstairs and write down whatever you didn't like. I will change it for my next video. Thank you guys. Hope to see you again. Bye bye.